Okay, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine here, and in this video, I have Joe. So, if you don't know who I am, I've been drop shipping on 4 or 5 different platforms. Let me see: eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, and I've drop shipped on TikTok. So, 5 different platforms over the past 14 years. I've been doing a lot of videos about eBay drop shipping recently, and Joe here joined the journey with us. So, if you're looking at the title, we're going to talk about his first sale. But before we get into his first sale, I'll let him introduce himself. So, like, subscribe, stay till the end of the video. I might have some giveaways at the end. But Joe, could you introduce yourself really quickly?
All right, my name Joe. Brand new to this drop shipping, man. Ran into Mark. It was
Right.
literally a couple weeks ago. I ran into Mark, and just me being a type of inquisitive and research type of guy, the type of information Mark gave was really top tier. They really answered my questions as far as drop shipping goes. My woman originally came up with the idea, and when she brought it to me, I'm like, damn, this is a gold mine. Hold up, you know what I'm saying? So she a research head, I'm a research head. We both get to research, and man, we found some other platforms, the normal ones. Mark and I already talked about Zeke and AutoDS,
Yes, yeah.
and ran into those and did the test trials with them. Then start watching more Mark videos. I'm like, damn. And I watched you and Sammy do a video. I want to say it was sniping y'all was doing on there basically,
Okay, okay,
or
okay.
just showing how the platform actually worked, showing
Right.
how it worked. I'm like, this is what we need right here. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying? This is
okay.
what we need right here. So that's what ended up bringing me on over here to Mark and Ecom Snipe.
Right. So today you got your first sale. When you first
Yeah.
started, you had a couple hiccups, right? You had an
Oh
account
yeah,
that
we
got
can talk about that.
suspended. But I think I want to talk. I want to. We'll have a quick conversation about that specifically, right? Because I
Dig
have some
that.
opinions about why I think it could have been suspended. But let's
Uh,
talk about this first sale. So how many days have you been listing on this account? I know you up to just under 400 listings, and you got your first sale.
yeah, just under 400 listings. You want me to share my screen? How you want to do it?
Yeah, sure.
Can you see it?
Right.
All right. So this account probably been open not even a full 10 days, I
Okay.
would say.
Okay. Okay.
Not
Okay.
even a
Okay.
full 10 days. Because the other account just got shut down. So not even using this for a full matter of fact, my bad. This eBay account I've had it since 2024.
Right.
But
Right.
as
Right.
far as listing, it's probably only been like 5 days, maybe. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
Okay.
So following the method or the program that y'all been laying down, 100 listings a day.
Hmm.
Um, I've been doing that, and as you see, I'm a little bit under 400. I should be at 400 at least right now, but I got some sitting in the drafts that I need
Right.
to um, continue. But today, first sale on the most random thing, man. Not random, but like, because I know a lot of us when we come into drop shipping, like, oh, I got to get the new trending product or the new this. And I
Right.
seen Sammy say, like on that video, like somebody bought like a lawnmower cover or something like that. And bro, it's the most random thing. What was it? I don't even know how to.
Right. Go to the orders page. So you see overview and orders.
Oh, orders. Okay, there you
Right.
go.
Right. So that sends you to the exact item. So right. So you would have made a couple bucks. You'd have made at $18 and you sell at 25, you'd have made like $4 or $5, right? On a
Yeah,
$25 item.
that's
And
what. That's what. Yeah. Uh-huh. Go ahead.
so this is an item that you bulk listed, right? Like you just click some buttons and it was listing every day.
Yep. I think I really just found the a seller. Like I was just on there looking at sellers and
Right.
boom, click boat listed, boom. I didn't even see that's the thing with boat listing. Sometimes you don't even know what you got on there. Because I
Exactly.
didn't know I had. I'm like, what the hell? Somebody just bought something. I heard that cha-ching. I'm like, hold on, what the
Right.
heck?
And
I'm
I
like,
think
damn.
the first sale is actually one of the most, so you could stop sharing your screen. So the
Okay.
first sale is one of the most important steps in this process because when you start, it's one thing to like look online and watch your videos and like, yeah, I trust Mark, I trust what they're saying or whatever. But it's another thing to cross that threshold, right? To actually do it and like, okay, someone actually bought this thing. I'm actually fulfilling it. I actually made a couple bucks, right?
Yeah.
And then so guys, I want you to like and subscribe. So we're gonna go through this process. It may be daily, it may be every other day, but we'll document this process for you guys from the first sale. I would want to take him to maybe $2,000 or $3,000 profit so you guys can see on YouTube. So you
Yes,
guys
sir.
could like ask any questions and comment. But the main purpose of this video is just to give you guys the guys in Ecom Sniper. If it's not the first day, he's at four, like maybe the fourth day. If you list 100 items, once you get
Mhm.
the first sale, you will list as we talked about. I want you to get to 1,000 listings, and then we do the product substitution, right?
Substitution. Yep.
But what was your thought when the sale happened? Is it that it helped you believe it? Is it that you believed it before, so just like whatever, like
It wasn't a whatever, and I already believed it. It's just the way my mind set up anyway. See, once I get enough evidence that show
Mm,
without even like without it's almost like a faith. You know what I'm saying?
right.
Like, I didn't even have to have a physical evidence of somebody selling. Like I was very well convinced based off the research that I've done, and
Okay,
you know what
okay.
I'm saying. And it just locked me in, let me know that it was what's the name. So I really wasn't sweating it. I knew it was gonna come, but once
Mm.
I got it, I'm like, oh shit. I remember everybody. Now I'm like, the first thing I'm thinking about, like, okay, the message I'm gonna send a customer. Thank you for shopping with so
Right.
and so, or and then I'm like, oh shit, I forgot what to do with the tracking. So I hopped in the Telegram and I put it in the message. And everybody, like, yeah, track about this, and okay, bet I forgot because you don't want to see that TBA because
Right,
it
right,
had that
right,
TBA. So um, that was my next step. So my main thing, bro, was really just make sure the customer service is on point. You know what I'm saying?
okay,
Like make
okay.
sure I can get that customer service. Because one sale is cool, but I'm like, when I start having 30, 40, 50, what's the names, you know what I'm saying? I want to make sure my customer service is still on point and that I have some type of system set up.
Right. I think what it's funny to hear you say that because when I first started to dropship, I didn't believe anyone. I was
Uh,
like,
you
because
started a minute ago, bro, Mark. So I got
yeah, that's the
time.
other thing. Times are different, right? Like it's not like few people were sharing information. Everyone was like lying about a lot of stuff. So,
Yeah.
but I'm happy you got to this point. So, guys, if you're watching this video, I'll subscribe. I'll ask myself, ask Joe any questions. I'll put a link to a group so you guys could join Telegram. And
Hmm.
if you want a one-on-one call with me, I'll also put a link to my calendar. And yeah, so this is just a quick update, a quick introduction to who Joe is. But Joe, what state are you from? Where are you from again?
I'm from Tennessee. I'm in Texas, though, man. I'm in
Right,
Texas.
right, right. Okay,
Yep.
okay, okay.
I'm down here. Let me tell the folks this too, bro. Listen, that chat is a community, everybody in there helping. Like, and that's what you want when, like, listen, people, you want to be surrounded by people who's doing the same thing or have already done what you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? I don't think people take like fully grasp that. You know what I'm saying? Like that's very important.
Yeah, like I've made a video specifically talking about the community, and people think I'm just like making videos just to talk on my ass or something. Like the fact that if I had people that were doing it every day when I first started, it would be so much easier.
So much easier because like you're gonna have questions. Like here's the thing about a course, which it is a course inside Ecom Sniper, but you're gonna have questions like little random questions that you don't, you know what I'm saying? You're not gonna be able to, you may not get right then and there. You can hop straight into the chat and
Right,
everybody in there has experience like, oh yeah, well you should do this and refresh this and then do this. You know what I'm saying? Like there's
right.
nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? So like I would definitely, if I was y'all, I would definitely take advantage of this community, man. Don't take it for advantage. Because everybody in there is pushing, man. You got some people in there who doing great numbers. People just like me who just started, had a suspended account and shook back and came back with something like it's
Right.
just bro, for real, man. So take advantage of that, y'all, for real.
And did you tell your girl about the sale?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. You know, that's my business partner. You know, she know everything. She know we on this call right now. You
Right,
know
right,
what I'm saying?
right.
You
Okay,
know, she
sweet.
yeah, that's my business partner. We locked in like that.
Okay, okay, okay.
So yeah,
All
she
right,
would
yeah,
have
well, thanks for your time, Joe. I know it's late. This is a very impromptu call. So those of you guys on YouTube, if you want, I plan to have Joe on the channel regularly. If you have any questions for any of us, let us know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and check out the description. Thanks a lot, Joe.
I appreciate you, bro.
Later, guys.